Hello! In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up a new project in DesignBuilder. During the tutorial, we will show you how to create a new project, add a building, and create a block. To start a new project, we can use the Open New File tool on the toolbar.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.